Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today is 24th November 2020 and today is Tuesday. This is your English language class. We will discuss about past simple tense, what is verb, and which kind of verb, which form of verb would be used in the past simple tense. So, dear students, before going to learn tense, we must know about verb. Verb is a word used to describe an action. A verb is a main part of speech that is often used to describe an action. So, when we talk about past simple tense, we are talking about the time that is before now. So, past simple tense expresses an action that happened in the past. With most verbs, the past tense is formed by adding ed. For example, call is the base form. We will add ed with call for making the second form of the verb that can be used, then would be used in the past simple tense. Like is a base form, and by adding d, only adding d, because in the like a is silent, and when the last letter would be silent, for example e would be silent, then we will only add d. So light is the second form of like. Wanted, again we will add ed for making past simple tense. Worked, work is the base form, and ed add, by adding ed it would be worked. So dear students, we have two columns. In the first column we have base forms. In the second column we have second form of verbs, and second form of verbs would be used in the past simple tense. Be is a base form, was and were would be the second form of verb. Break, second form of verb, broke. Bring is base form, brought is second form. Buy, bought. Build, built. Come, came. Cut, cut. So in this way you can see nothing would be changed for making the second form. Eat, ate. Get, got. Go, went. Give, gave. Go, went. Went is the past tense. Hold, held. Keep, kept. Leave, left. Lead, let. Second form would be again let. Make, made. Mean, meant. Meet, met. Pay, paid. Run, ran. So you can see these are all past tense, and these are all first form of verbs. So students, here we have few sentences for your better understanding. When we talk about yesterday and when we talk about the time from now, we use the second form of verb. I saw a movie yesterday. Last year I traveled to Japan. Traveled. Remember, traveled is the second form because these are all sentences belong to simple past tense. She washed her car. Two boys played with a ball. Played is the second form of verb. I cancelled my meeting. I cancelled my meeting. They had dinner last night. Last night shows that it is the simple past tense, and had would be used in this sentence. He drew beautiful pictures last week. Last night, yesterday, these are all the words that would be used in simple past tense along the second form of verb. So dear students, just look on the paper. I have showed a timeline. This is a timeline. Here we see now. Everything before now is in the past. So when we talk about So when we talk about the past simple tense, we are talking about the time that is before now. You can see that this is the second form of verb. I worked. You worked. Worked is the second form of verb that would be used in the past simple tense. So here all the subjects are related with the work, second form of verb. So students, we had a detailed discussion on simple past tense. It's all for you today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.